Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the new XAI Gork token. Ticker symbol is Gork, G-O-R-K. Now this token is trending #1 right now on the in the Solana section on DEX Screener. Very popular token today. Millions and millions of dollars of market cap and 24-hour trading volume. Right now, it is up 61,233%, and the token pair was actually just created 14 hours, 37 minutes ago. So it's doing it insanely well. We're going to go over the information on this token and talk about their very big central exchange listing that they just got in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token has a community takeover already, so there is an X community that you can join for this token that is linked on the DEX Screener chart. So the original profile, socials, all that stuff is gone, and now there's the Gork community on X where you could join the discussion regarding this token. So according to DEX Screener, this token, again, is only 14 hours, 39 minutes old. And it says here, community claimed ownership of this token April 30th. Community takeover claim. Someone sniped the decentralized exchange and added the wrong socials. This is a community token. We claim this takeover to help the people. The new Grok XAI token. So yeah, ticker symbol is Gork. Now this token here just got at least two very big central exchange listings. So I saw this morning it got listed on Bitmart, so that's one way to get this token. It got listed at 7 a.m. UTC time, May 1st on Bitmart, and it's also available right now on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Gork, G-O-R-K, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. So it is available now on Mexc. Check the referral codes. And speaking of referral codes, I just added a new one for this channel here that you could check out in the description box for BTCC. If you haven't tried out the BTCC Central Exchange, it's one of the oldest, longest running central exchanges, been around since 2011, and has all sorts of new user incentives and bonuses and stuff. So check out BTCC in the description box. Now they have a Telegram here at Gork Links that you could find that has 1,106 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining. And then the X community has the contract address on it. They have 1,200 members so far. And besides that, if you go to their DEX Screener chart, you can find the Soul Scan. On the Soul Scan, there's all sorts of links like bubble maps. They have a rug check, GMGN, Gecko Terminals, another place you can see the chart, along with Bird Eye, Dex Tools, Dex Screener. They also have a Photon link as well. Now this token's doing so well, it's got 15,824 holders already and just came out about half a day ago. 6 decimal places on this token. Now, this token was created on pump.fun, which is a web page for creating Solana meme coins. You could tell because the contract address ends in pump. And pump.fun tokens start out with a total supply of 1 billion tokens. They're deflationary, and right now the current supply of Gork is 999,993,917 tokens. And token price is around 3.8 cents per token right now. Obviously, it's going to fluctuate like crazy because of how popular this token is. Now, their rug check here says risk analysis good. The top, it says the creator has already sold their token. So like it's a community run token. That's what they're claiming on Dex Screener. And it does say creator balance is sold on the rug check. Let's see here. The top holder has 1.6% of the tokens, and every other holder is less than that. So there's no gigantic whales or anything like that. Now, how this token's doing here, they're up 63,210%. They have a market cap of $38.7 million. That's also their fully diluted valuation. 291,920 transactions today. 24-hour trading volume is $138.7 million. And they have $1.1 million worth of liquidity in pump swap. And 98.05% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. So that's another way to get the token. If you wanted to get it in a decentralized way, you can get this token off of pump swap. Now, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Trust wallet, you could use a MetaMask wallet, Solflare wallet, or Phantom wallet. And you could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or you could get a Chrome extension on your PC. Now, you'd then fund your wallet with Sol. How you fund your wallet with Sol? You could fund it from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, you'd go into the dApps, you would find Pump Swap, and then using the contract address you could find on Dex Screener, Birdeye, Dex Tool, SolScan, the X community, etc. Just make sure you have the right contract address. You would then trade your Sol for this token using that contract address. You probably will not have to set slippage. I haven't seen anything about taxes. And there will be a small amount of gas fees. Right now they have 3,688 pooled Sol in Pump Swap, which is equivalent to 14,235,000 pooled Gork tokens. So go check out Gork. Check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Mexc global one where this token just got listed. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.